My name is Roa Elbizri. I am a sustainability manager with TAQA. I'm also newly a mom of 2 boys, and I'm very excited to be part of NOORA because as a mom, I also wanted to prove that women can do it and they can do hard things, and I could use the help at the same time of a platform such as NOORA to achieve leadership positions that I would really like to attain. I expect NOORA to provide a platform for like-minded women to have difficult conversations about why women traditionally, especially in this region, have not been able to reach leadership positions, but also to help provide solutions, resources to be able to attain these leadership positions and pass it forward to other women.